Guys, this is the first time I've ever booked an easy hotel yet. Look at this bathroom. It's literally miniature and orange. And then here's the bed. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what that view is. And there's a mirror here and this wardrobe. I'm just finding this room so funny. Random Michael Jackson shrine. Hey guys, I don't think I've actually spoke to the camera. I'm not sure if I have. Anyways, I'm taking myself on a little date. I am having a glass of wine and then I'm gonna come back and go straight to sleep. and I'm getting picked up at 7:30 a.m. So I'm taking myself for a glass of wine and I'll be right back. I might go on the Ferris wheel. I want to go on the Ferris wheel, but I think it's raining. I don't know if it's even going to be on, but we'll see.